Okay, so let's get this out for you. Let's put your head slightly over towards your right shoulder. That's perfect. So if it gets a bit too loud or uncomfortable, please let me know.
Yeah.
It's larger than the entrance here, so I'm just going to massage it out, manipulate it out. Feeling okay?
Yeah, fine.
Right. Yeah, that's the blockage out. It's quite a bit around the edge of the ear canal. I'll see if I can get that out. Got a little bit here. Yeah, you've got the cleanest ears in Leicester now. Nice and clear, ears nice and healthy. That's all done. How are you feeling?
Okay, fine, thanks.
Brilliant. What we'll do, we'll stand you up, turn you around, and we'll do the other side.
Yeah.
Just like the other side, some piece of wax is larger than the entrance there.
I've watched a couple of your videos on YouTube and that, so
Oh, have you?
I've seen the sort of thing that you've had to cope with.
It was relatively easier comparatively to some of those procedures on point. Quite amusing yesterday. I had a friend who had a party and one of her guests was telling my friend, I've been watching these earwax removal videos from a chap called Neil, and I'll mention her name. Her name was Caroline, and my friend's name was Sarah. So I was like, oh, that's my friend, I know him. So I don't think her friend believed her that she's friends with me. So my friend Sarah rang me and says, oh, well, she sent me a message, please FaceTime me so I can get you to speak to my friend to show that I do know you. It's hilarious. Let's have a look. We've got a couple of strands of hair. It's got the top of the ear canal. Well, that's fine though. Yeah, nice and clear. How's that for you? Bit of a It's the gag reflex you just developed. Yeah, it happens when we go into it. How are you feeling?
Yeah, okay, thanks.
Fantastic, yeah.
Right,
So that's all right.
yes.
That's half of it. I'll say the other half got pulled up the suction probe into the
Yeah.
canister behind us. So yeah, it's a fair bit of wax. It's been there for a while. You can tell by the colour. It's oxidised.
yeah.
It's turned almost black.
Yeah, it's something I've had for a bit, and I thought, well, I'll, I want to get it looked and do this, and we'll give it a try and see how
It should be
how
cool.
it is, and obviously see how my hearing is after all this, and obviously
It should be a lot better.